Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and I'm joined by Joe. Hi Joe.
Hi Brett.
And we are. This is episode 3 of the Joysway Dragon Force 65 build. Now you saw us last time we were doing some of the rigging and some of the string tying, and then Joe's just been putting on some of the final touches. Now it's time to
for the drain plug, so we not lose it.
Not lose the drain plug. We'll show people the drain plug.
Yeah. Oh,
get in here. Look, there's bits of string everywhere.
It's virtually just a flexible silicone plug,
isn't it? But you've put a hole in it
and put a string through, and
put a string through it.
We tied the string to the backstay hook.
The backstay hook.
That way we hardly ever gonna lose
That's
it.
the backstay hook there for those that don't know.
Yeah.
And I'm learning all these things as we speak. Backstay hook.
Yeah.
And that's in case it pops out from combustion. Is that right?
No. When you drain the boat, when you finish sailing, you normally take the plug out and check if any water got in.
Does any water get in usually?
No.
No?
If you did a good job, it's no water gets in. It's
done a good job of what, sailing or crashing?
No. It's completely watertight.
Have you seen a boat sink before?
No. I've seen half full of water.
Really? But they still don't sink?
No.
See, so you're going to put the little drain plug there?
Yeah. When you put it on the water, you have to put it in.
Well, before, hopefully.
Yeah, before you put it in. So, actually we tie it there because it's...
Where are you tying it?
To the hook. Tie it to the hook.
Yeah.
And that way, it's never got lost.
Ever?
Oh,
unless
accident can happen, yeah.
How much string have we got left over?
Half a roll.
Half a roll?
Enough for another rigging.
Really?
Yeah.
Probably.
But every time you buy a different set of sails, smaller or bigger.
Comes with another packet.
With the mast, it comes with everything, whatever we have here in a kit. Yeah. So don't have to.
Don't forget to put glue on the knots.
Yeah, I will.
That's one thing that I've really learned from this is putting glue on the knots.
Yeah, that string is pretty good, pretty strong. Not much stretching, but if you not seal it.
Well, because it doesn't have any friction, does it? So it can untie itself. Yeah. Because it's very
have to be sealed with a
sealed to perfection.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a light super glue to soak through, and that's it.
Put it on here and put a little bit on here.
Yeah. Put a little bit here, easier to cut after.
And a little bit here.
Seal it off on top.
You've done this before. Now it's going to be time to power up the radio gear.
Yeah.
Do we have to calibrate the ESC?
It doesn't have an ESC. The ESC,
what do you mean?
ESC is a wind, right?
The wind is the ESC.
That's right. Free. You don't have to spend money on it to fill up the tank.
No, it's not like a nitro buggy.
Nah.
And it doesn't have lipos like a powered electric car, does it?
You see, when you finish,
then
pull it down. And
pull it out. All right.
Drain it.
All right. I'm going to put it over here.
Yeah. Whichever position is the best. Right?
Well, I can't say with confidence because I don't know.
Oh, you look at the screen.
Here we go.
You see, top we haven't got much.
Well, this is where I'm going to put that. Yeah. So this is the radio gear that we said before. This is 4-channel radio gear, but really it's only a 2-channel boat, isn't it? Has a winch.
Yeah.
And I've got some AA's here.
AA batteries.
Nothing fancy. But you said some people have been known to change their radio. Is that right?
Yeah, the Sky RC with the cheap 6-channel Sky RC. That's just a cheap
one too. But the good thing in that is it's got telemetry, doesn't it?
Yes, it tells you the battery voltage in a boat and also the transmitter voltage.
Because I would have a bit of anxiety that the servos are going flat all the time. Because I'm used to driving cars.
Dry batteries, they last a reasonable time, but in a long term, rechargeable life, 6.6 volt battery is a better option.
Yeah, we wouldn't put a LiPo in there because the servos are probably not rated.
No, LiPo is too high. It has to be live, 6.6 volt, 2-cell battery. They only about $20, I think. Those soft packs.
Soft packs?
Yeah.
And this one just drops straight in there?
Yeah,
is that it?
That's a place for the battery.
And we just put the wire down there, nice.
That's the unfortunate thing with the dry battery. That's the only position you can put it in.
So you can't really tune the boat?
You can't move it, no.
Is that right?
No. Oh, not with that. So
I'm going to put the radio on.
Yeah, the transmitter. Yeah, switch on the boat.
There's no motors, no prop getting in the way?
The throttle always has to be
down?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, otherwise.
And this is the switch here?
No wind, yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah.
How do you know?
You check the steering first, the rudder.
I think the trim's out.
No, it's not right. Well, we have to...
Do you trim it in the water?
Yeah. No, trim it by eye, and after that, if you have to fine trim it on a radio, you get back and move it, mechanically. But now that...
How can you tell the endpoints?
What do you mean? Turn it full. See, that's around 35 degrees.
And that's it?
Yeah, you don't need...
How fast is that little servo?
Yeah, very good. No, I think even the servo is digital, not only the winch. No, don't do that.
Why?
Because you're moving the servo.
No, I was motoring it.
All right.
I was just holding tension on it.
Yeah, because there's no wind. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, so
it comes open like 90 degrees.
Yeah, that's just about. Yeah.
Holy heck, Batman!
And
come in.
Yeah, you can put it in any position between. It depends on the wind. If you
have a look how fast it is.
Yeah, it is. No? It is a $120 digital winch, so it's not that cheap. Yeah.
That is amazing.
All right, we put the cover on because the string gonna tangle.
Right? The string gonna tangle?
Yeah.
Well, that's the last thing we want.
Yeah.
Is the cover permanent or what?
We put it on, but not put the patch on.
All right. Is this
just for the
Where's the cover?
In the box.
In the box?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, check this out. So we're live.
You didn't get it out. Yeah, it's here.
No, we didn't even have to do ESC settings. No program cards.
No, nothing.
Let's get this.
Ready for sail after rigging done straight away.
So it's taken about 3 hours or so.
Altogether, yes.
So this just goes in here.
That just, the patch goes all the way.
So that just goes in there, that clear cover.
Yeah.
And then you just put a sticky tape patch.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it comes with the boat. It covers the whole lot, makes it black. Oh, where is it?
And this is the radio gear switch here.
Yeah.
On
good one
and
too.
off, if you can see that.
They don't last forever.
That's really good. And then
There
it's
we
all
go.
rigged up.
You get one extra patch.
Now, how do we tune the sails?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
See, that's
black.
That's sticky.
Well, it's going to get hot in there.
And that gets there, and they've got a small patch.
There's a big hole over here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the smaller rechargeable batteries, life packs. You can put it right beside the keel.
Is that what preferable?
So that's balance out the boat a little bit better.
Does it?
At the moment, it's probably heavy on the back. Let's go here.
How cool is that?
And the good thing is, if you have to change the battery, you have to take that big patch off.
Yeah.
If you got rechargeable live battery, you can take it out with the small patch.
Just change it out here.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So that's the patch. And the switch here. Turn that one off.
Yeah.
That is amazing. Now, how do you tune the sails?
Oh, you do the basic setup. Which one? You got your tape measure?
My tape measure?
Yeah.
No. Do you want the tape measure?
Yeah, at least.
Here we go.
Yeah, you set the measurement. 930, I think, from memory.
930.
Hang on.
Gee, that's a whopper. You said it was only a 65.
Yeah, 930 mil from where the string is in the backstay.
I'll get the boat down and you measure it, all right? I want to make sure that people are... So where are you measuring it?
From here, where the knot is, in the backstay.
Yep.
You measure 930, so we tighten it up, because that's how you, yep, right on,
Right on.
930. You can put the boat back.
And then what? Then do we put a mark so we know where it is?
Yeah, we can mark that position. That's a basic setup for the boat.
And whereabouts do you mark the string?
Because you put it up, so you just mark it here. So next time, you know how far you have to go.
You know where it is?
Yeah, you can see it. If I loosen it up, see, I can put it back exactly there, and that's it.
So you know exactly where it's got to go?
Yeah, don't put too much on it.
Why?
Oh, you don't need it. Nah, all you need is you bug it up the boat now.
So, the one thing that I did. Now where else do we need to put the texture in the racing lines?
No, no more texture. Just now we can tension the front stay.
Tension the front. I'm under tension.
See, that's all right, but have a look at the sail.
What?
It's not tensioned.
It's not tensioned at all.
Yeah, so
it's a lazy sail.
Yeah.
Is that what you call it?
We have to get it down because I didn't put a knot on it yet.
Oh, you didn't?
No, because we didn't tension it. You hold it, and you can stay it in a keel. It's no concrete here. Yeah, stay it in.
Why? What does the concrete do?
Oh, scratch the paint off. It doesn't last forever.
Can't we polish it like chrome?
Yeah,
Make it
you
super.
can polish. Some people paint it.
Make it super fast?
Some people paint it.
Why do they paint it?
So that in a clear water they can see their keel.
Is that what you want to do?
No.
No?
No. Our water you can't.
Have you had the keel come out of the water?
Sometimes if it's a stronger and you're sailing against the wind, you get
Yeah.
a strong side wind.
And then the sails go under the water and then it sinks?
Oh, the top of the mast can touch the water if it's a very strong and you got the wrong sails on. Put an extra one on. But yeah, sometimes it can. But yeah, if you can't keep, when you pull in a sail against the wind, and the strong wind comes, you can loosen up the sail and it stands up a little bit, yeah, more. Well,
I suppose that's part of the fun, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's yeah, in a way. What am I doing?
I'm not sure. You've lost it.
Yeah, I put the knot in the wrong
You've lost
place.
it. The texture had you.
Can
I put texture on that one?
Don't need texture. This one should be on. Now I just lock this up with the.
That's a big knot.
Yeah, it has to be.
Has to be?
Yeah,
Are we
so
gonna
it doesn't go through the hole. Yeah.
We're going to glue it too, aren't we?
Yeah, I put a drop of glue in.
I'm going to do it to my shoelaces and see what happens.
That's a good idea, Brad. The only trouble is you can't get your shoelaces off now. Can't open it up anymore. Yeah,
Just open the sail a bit.
Just a little bit.
I'll just put them some in here. Oh, you're going to just going to pour all over the place. Oh, you're an animal. Here you go.
You don't talk like that on TV. And BG listening too. What is going to say when he gets home?
I don't know. He's going to think.
Copy you.
He's going to think funny things about you, Joe. What's all the Bundabergians going to say?
Well, if they watch it.
Everybody's going to watch it.
But,
we're going to get 5 million views with this one.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, but
Okay, tuning up the Dragon Force.
in a way, it's more colourful than some of the old blokes with their missus
Is it?
doing the camera work. Oh, darling, can you move a little bit?
Well, they are quite, even in our studio, which is used to doing RC stuff, this boat is quite a challenge.
Oh, it takes longer than...
No, not longer. I just
Building
mean
the cars,
I just mean the size of the
Here we go.
bloody thing. Oh, the 95. Is it
So
good?
the front is, yeah. Now, you put it up.
Put it up here?
Yeah.
I still can't believe that the whole boat was 490 grams and the keel ballast was merely...
Watch the camera.
I'm trying to watch the camera.
Nearly half the way.
It was more than half the weight.
Oh, more than
550 grams.
So at the moment, the sail is pretty flat. So we have to loosen it a little bit.
How do you know what's the right setting?
Oh, you can get, what's his name? different charts.
Charts?
Yeah, people who, you see, we got a little bit of, that's called a leech.
A leech?
Yeah, see? And on the back we got more, so we just get it down. See, it pulls it in.
I think it's time to trade in the old boat, Joe. What do you think? I think it's time to trade in the old boat for something newer.
Just as good as a new one. So virtually that's it. And when the
this is quite an acute angle.
Yeah.
Is that what you wanted to say?
Oh, it can go even higher.
Really?
More, if it's very strong wind, to let wind out of the sail. You
have we got it dialed in for Albert Park?
Yeah, it is dialed in.
Yeah.
Now this one we loosen it up because that's all right. Has to move about 15
degrees?
Something like that, 15 mil.
What's this?
From the centre, the boom.
Yeah, and how much does the front one
That's
have to
fully
move?
pulled in sails. The front, normally just about edge of the hull. So all we have to do.
On free play?
No, on neutral or,
yeah,
you know.
Free play?
Yeah, so that's it. So the front sail always, it's got it in our instruction, basic measurements. But yeah, the front jib a little bit more angle than the boom on a mainsail.
Is that what you reckon?
Yeah, yeah. No,
that's the ticket.
Ready to hit the water.
When we going sailing?
Ready to, I don't know, who knows.
Sunday afternoon.
When we go sailing.
We'll go sailing Sunday afternoon.
Sunday afternoon.
We'll have a race.
Yeah, we will see. Sunday afternoon, you in the city. Hang on, just check something.
What are we checking now?
No.
We got the plug in?
Yeah, the plug is in.
The plug is in. There we go.
Because when you finish sailing, you pull the plug out and turn the boat.
Well, I don't know that, but it's probably so it doesn't condensate. No condensation.
Oh, and yeah, when you're not using the boat,
you would leave it unplugged because otherwise you've got to uncover everything, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, normally
especially salt water. I imagine salt water.
Salt water.
You probably have to clean it a bit more.
Yeah, you have to wash the whole boat in salt water
because it gets all salty.
Yeah.
Salty sea dog.
Yeah.
You know what's so good about salt water?
What?
It's tastier than regular water.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Not very badly salted. You wouldn't go to the Dead Sea and taste that.
It'd float well.
Yeah, well.
It'd float well, wouldn't it?
You float well without.
BJ'd look like a wonton.
Yeah. But yeah, virtually that's it.
Fantastic, guys. Well, that has been episode 3 of the Joysway Dragon Force 65. We've got it all dialed in. We're ready to hit the water. I reckon we go out sailing Sunday afternoon, Jojo.
Yeah, we will see.
With Master Joe all the way down from Bundaberg. He's got it all set up. So I'm Brett from Hearns Hobbies. He's Joe from Bundaberg. And thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.